Hi, friends! Welcome to another edition of Cute Meets Spooky at Decorate Your Life. Make sure that you click on that subscribe button and the bell icon, then run around the house and scream like a banshee so that your neighbors won't mess with you.
In a pastel sky, little bats take flight. Whispers of Summerween dance in the night. Mummies with ribbons, a kitten in pink. Spiders spin cobwebs with sparkles that wink. Pumpkins and broomsticks, soft mint and black. A spell of delight in each paper pack. Summerween by Decorate Your Life, where cute meets spooky, a magical vibe. From invoke to pink spells, they tell your dreams. Past Halloween wonders and Summerween themes. Elegant, whimsical, cute, or so true. There's a fall paper collection made just for you. Crafting in midnight, the candles all glow. Cutting and layering, the ideas just flow. Bats in soft pink, a witch cat so sweet. Summerween papers make projects complete. Summerween by Decorate Your Life, where cute meets spooky, a magical vibe. From invoke to pink spells, they tell your dreams. Past Halloween wonders and